Are you a student tired of always being broke? In 2025, you don't need a trust fund or a business degree to build real income on the side. I'm about to show you 7 side hustles that are perfect for students. And trust me, the last one, it could seriously change your life. Let's jump in. First up, print on demand. Think about it. You design something cool, maybe a meme, your campus inside joke, whatever. Upload that to Printful or Teespring, and when someone buys it, they handle all the boring stuff like printing and shipping. You just get paid. No boxes in your dorm, no risk, just your creativity making money while you study. Next, freelancing. Got skills? Use them. Maybe you're good at writing, graphic design, tutoring chemistry, or editing videos. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork are goldmines for students. You set your hours, you set your price, and you build a reputation that could lead to legit gigs even after graduation. Number 3 is for my animal lovers, pet sitting and dog walking. This one's actually fun. Sign up on Rover and you can walk dogs or pet sit between your classes. Extra cash, fresh air, and puppy cuddles? Win-win-win. Now, reselling stuff. This one's like a treasure hunt. Hit up your local thrift shop or garage sale, find cool clothes or vintage gear, then flip them on eBay or Mercari. Anyone can do it, and it's way more profitable than you'd think. 5th, local services. Sometimes the old school stuff works best. Mowing lawns, washing cars, helping people move, these are classic side hustles for a reason. All you need is a flyer, a little hustle, and you're making cash in your own neighborhood. 6th, selling your study notes. If your notes are neat and organized, you can turn them into cash. Upload them to Study Soup, Etsy, or even share summaries on TikTok. You're already studying, why not get paid for it? And finally the big one, content creation. This is the side hustle that can truly make you rich. Start a YouTube channel, make TikToks about college life, productivity hacks, or your favorite games. Share your real story, and with just one video, you could go viral and never look back. In 2025, content is king and anyone can do it, including you. So are you ready to level up? Pick one of these side hustles and start today. Hit that subscribe button for more student-friendly money tips. And hey, may God bless your journey.